By the mid-1930s, lipstick wasn't the daring statement it had once been. It was available on every high street. I'm going to make this recipe for lipstick base from the 1920s.
Okay, so Lisa, we've got carmine, which is a pigment.
Yep.
And then we have carmazine, which is a dye.
Yep.
And the base actually has liquid paraffin oil, soft white paraffin, and we're going to set it with hard paraffin wax.
It's a good colour, isn't it? So in the spirit of our homespun lipstick production here, I'm going to follow this recipe of how to make the mould. So it suggests tin foil and a stout pencil. We didn't have a stout pencil, but thank you for the glass pipette.
You're welcome.
And to roll it. Okay, so it suggests using soap to attach it, but I'm going to use some sellotape. And it says to set it in sand, so we have some laboratory sand. Voila!
So I'm just going to check whether everything's properly melted, and then we're going to start pouring.
Exciting.
It looks like it is.
Let the magic commence.
Indeed. It's very smooth. And I think we'll stop there, and I think that's it.
Great.
So all we have to do now
Is wait.
is wait.
Painting lips wasn't new to the interwar years. Pigments had been rubbed into lips since at least the ancient Egyptians. But what was new was the delivery system, a tube of colour that you could apply to your lips directly whenever and wherever you wanted.
I forgot how much tin foil I put on it. Shiny.
Wow.
That's glossy. It almost looks like lacquer. I'm going to put glove on, one glove on.
Good idea.
So that I can pick it up, hopefully, and not dye my hands, but I'm going to try it on this hand. I feel like we're quite heavy on the waxes. So it takes a little bit of building up, but colour's amazing.
Oh yes, the colour's beautiful.
But I do want to try one on my lips. But before I do that, because it's not just certain colours that are fashion in the 20s, it's all about the shape of your lips. There's a real trend for certain shapes, depending on which movie star you want to be.
Ooh.
So I'm probably going to go for a Clorobo lip, or quite a small mouth. Because it's quite hard to create the shape, these were very popular, which are Lip Stencils. These ones were created by Ern Westmore, who was a very big makeup artist in Hollywood. And these are genius. If you look inside here, they are so good. It's all the different fashionable lip shapes. Look at that one. I'm not going to use these originals because these are very, very precious. But I've made a modern version.
Looks good.
So, I'm going to hold the stencil in place. Won't be able to speak once this is on. Not too bad. I mean, kind of accurate for the period. I know you're giving me that funny look, so honestly, trust me.
Okay.
This was a fashionable shape. It's a little bit messy around the edges. So my perfectionist makeup artist self, I've got to make this better. So I'm going to go back in, fix those edges a little bit. Yeah, it's pretty good.
It's very good.
Yeah. I can see why they were popular. Yeah, I feel very Clorobo.